sa simoy at sa langit mong bukaw. May dilag ang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang taslap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagdidingding. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng luwalhati pagsimba, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api, ang mamatay lang dahil sa'yo.
This is AMBS Channel 2, a commercial TV station operating under permit number BSD-0126-2022, valid until the 6th of July 2023. Channel 2 transmitter is located at Diliman, Quezon City. AMBS Channel 2 is operated by a professional electronics engineer, duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission. Engineer Erwin D. Senora, PECE number 0001448, and operated by the following personnel, duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission and National Telecommunications Commission. Romel G. Ardenio, ECE number 23097. Kent P. De La Cruz, ECE number 0077750. Simon Matthew S. Santillana, ECE number 79146. Mon Israel U. Bagay, 09-1PCAR-23697. Orlando M. Lagarta, 93-1PNCR-6016. Jose P. Buban, 94-1PV-8960. Rene O. Agravante, 93-1PV-5715. This is AMBS Channel 2. Now signing on.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Magandang